Morning. We're on Dawn Outdoor Adventures again, and we're getting ready to make some. We're getting ready to fillet these crappie up. I made the board. This is like part 2 of the video, so I want to show you a little bit on how this works. It works perfect. I'm surprised at how good it works. This would definitely be something that I use more often instead of using the kitchen table or my shop out here. I can use this straight outside, in the back, outside. So it's a good tool that I made. So I want to show you a little bit of filleting right quick, and then we'll see you next time. So we're going to get it down here. Hopefully that's showing everything almost about right there. That's a good area. Nice crappie. And so, like I said, I got some fillets already done up. I still got to debone them, but just come in here, lift that fin up, come in here, turn it. Flip it. Oop, that sometimes happens. You just gotta hold it, flip it, and there you go. Turn him back over, get under that fin. Make sure you stay close to this dorsal fin when you're doing it. Of course, like I said, they still alive. Works perfect. I mean, like I said, I'm surprised at how good it works. Like I said, get under that dorsal fin. Flip him over. Go again. Nope, I did it again. Get him back here. Just put your, just grab that scale and keep going with it. Flip him over again. Like I said, when you can see nothing but bone right there, that means you're doing it right. All that meat's gone, that's all bone right there, guts, and that's it. That's how you fillet crappie. Then what you do, you want to come back in here, and normally if you got another guy with you, you can do what they call boning. And you just take a knife, that's the rib section with all the bones. You just come in here like that, cut around, kind of make a C and back out, and then that's a nice boneless fillet of crappie right there. You do the same thing, come over here, do it again, come around, kind of a V right there, and there you have another nice one. And normally you pass it over to the guy, your friend, your buddy that's fishing or came over to help you, and you just cut them out. And it goes pretty quick that way. But me, I never do have no buddies or friends to come around to help me out. And sometimes I just don't want to ask them because they might be doing something. But that's how you do it. And there you go. Nice filleted crappie up, boneless. Like I said, I got to finish these out. There go your rib section right there. Just come in there and put that knife right there on top, kind of guide it around. Then you come back under there, make a little V like, and there you have it. Down south, mama would say, boy, you wasting meat. But, you know, we got so many crappie, these little rib sections don't matter, but I hear they fry up good. One day I'm gonna try it. But for now, I'll just keep on eating the regular fillets up. But there you have it. There you have it on Dawn Outdoor Adventures, how to fillet crappie using the board that I made for the back of my boat. I'm telling you, it's a plus. Like I said, I don't get out and swim and tube and do all that kind of stuff to get out the boat, so this thing is just sitting here wasting. And right now, I utilize it as a cleaning station, and it works great. You've seen it yourself. I advise you to go ahead, if you got the time, build you one. It don't take no time to build. You've seen how I did it. Just cut it to fit, put a 2x4 on it to even it out, and there you have it. And we'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures. Hopefully we'll have some more crappie to cut up and fillet. We'll see you.